I'm going to show you how to install the Lil Gripper on a front wheel drive car. Before you install it, check that you have proper clearance and there's no suspension parts hanging just over these tires. Make sure the valve stem is not where you're going to be putting the strap through. Put your strap on, or your Lil Gripper on top, run the strap through the rim. Make sure you ratchet it tight. We don't want it to slip when you're trying to drive and cut on a sharp rim. Some rims are very sharp, causing a potential strap tear. Run your strap through. Make it tight. If you have a low profile tire, best thing is give this thing a half turn back. It stays tight and you won't damage the handle on a low profile tire hitting the dirt on the road, etc. That should